Perfect. Hey folks, Ray here, Riverbend Longbows Outdoors, and today I'm doing a little DIY for you for those who need to adjust their headlights on their Subarus. This will ring true with the majority of the Subaru vehicles, so stay tuned, I'll show you how to adjust your headlights. Okay, so after doing all the battery stuff, I got that. I'm going to adjust my headlights. As you can tell, this one's way high, and at night it's aiming way off to the left. This one's low. So what I figured out is there's an 8mm bolt down here. If you turn it clockwise, it lowers it. Counterclockwise, it'll raise the beam. I need to drop this beam down, and I'm going to try to raise that one up a bit. Now your left and right is hidden behind these plastic doodads right here. You can bust these off, or they can pull off maybe. Same style of bolt, 8mm, and it can either left or right and get your beams aiming straight. So thought I'd share that with you. But clockwise lowers, counterclockwise raises. Okay, the piece of tape was where it was, so I dropped it almost 3 inches. It's starting to line up better now. That's how you do it. Perfect. There you go. Hope this helps. You might want to wear gloves. It gets a little barky in there. If you're new to the channel, you like it, go ahead and subscribe. I got a ton of videos. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.